Stephen Hawking warning, aliens could destroy us if we find them. Stephen Hawking warned in his final book we should be wary of contacting a more advanced life form from elsewhere in the universe as they could destroy our civilization. The famous theoretical physicist died in March this year at the age of 76 but left behind some truly astonishing predictions in his final book which has just been released. One of his bold predictions in his book titled Brief Answers to the Big Questions was that aliens could destroy our planet. Before his death, Professor Hawking was part of a project known as Breakthrough Listen, an organization which scans the stars in the hope of receiving a message from another civilization. However, a major concern from Professor Hawking is that aliens could be more advanced on us, and see us as a primitive species and look down on us as if we were animals. The former Cambridge professor gave the example in his book of when Europeans encountered Native Americans, and almost killed them off in order to conquer the New World. Professor Hawking wrote in his book, Breakthrough Messages, an international competition to create messages that could be read by an advanced civilization. But we need to be wary of answering back until we have developed a bit further. Meeting a more advanced civilization, at our present stage, might be a bit like the original inhabitants of America meeting Columbus, and I don't think they thought they were better off for it. Another of Professor Hawking's final predictions was that God does not exist. He described his claim there is no afterlife or higher power as a profound realization. Professor Hawking wrote in the newly published book, We are free to believe what we want, and it's my view that the simplest explanation is that there is no God. No one created the universe and no one directs our fate. This leads me to a profound realization: there is probably no heaven and afterlife either. I think belief in the afterlife is just wishful thinking. Professor Hawking died at the age of 76 in the early hours of March 14 following a long battle with motor neuron disease. He suffered from a rare early-onset slow-progressing form of amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS, also known as motor neuron disease or Lou Gehrig's disease. He was diagnosed with motor neuron disease in 1963 at the age of 21. Doctors expected him to live for only 2 more years, but he had a form of the disease which progressed more slowly than usual.